Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 21st January current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, second edition of India Innovation Index. Second edition of India Innovation Index. Who will release? It is released by Niti Aayog. Here there are five categories or there are five characteristics we have to take into consideration, that is human capital, investment, knowledge workers, business environment, safety and legal environment were defined as the enabler parameters. These five are the enabler parameter. Once again I will read it. Human capital, investment, knowledge workers, business environment, safety and legal environment were defined as the enabler parameters. Here there are another two are there. They are performance parameters, that is knowledge output and knowledge diffusion were chosen as the performance parameters. Here in this edition or in this index, Karnataka stood at the first position. After that, Tamil Nadu stood at the second position. After that, Maharashtra stood at the third position. These are the first three states in India as per India Innovation Index. Let's discuss why Karnataka is in the first position. Why? Because Karnataka's rank is attributable to its substantive number of venture capital ideas. Venture capital means startups, or it starts with one idea, that is venture capital deals. Here registered geographical indicators, that is GI tags, and information and communication technology exports. Information and communication technology exports. These are the reasons why, because Karnataka stood at the first position. Next one, another reason also is there, that is Karnataka's high FDI, foreign direct investment inflow, has also enhanced the innovation capabilities of the states. That's why Karnataka stood at the India Innovation Index. Next one, dragon fruit. Why dragon fruit is in use? Why? Because the Gujarat government has decided to rename the dragon fruit as Kamalam. Why? Why they decided? Why? Because that looks like that the dragon fruits look like outer like Kamalam. That is the official symbol of BJP. That's why they want to rename. That's why they will go to the patent authority. Then they will rename this dragon fruit to Kamalam. Then we will see some interesting facts about dragon fruit, that is the world's largest producer and exporter of dragon fruit is Vietnam, where the plant was brought by the French in the 19th century. Here the Vietnamese call it Than Long, which translates dragon's eyes, believed to be the origin of its common English name. This is about dragon fruit. Next one, geohazard management. Before going to this geohazard management, just see once see the picture, right side picture, then you can understand how to manage this type of disasters or this type of incidents. That is DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, has entered into a framework with the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, that is MORTH, to strengthen the collaboration on sustainable geohazard management. Geohazard management. It has been agreed that the expertise of DGRE will be utilized in the providing sustainable mitigation measures to damages caused by the landslides, avalanches, and other natural factors on various national highways in the country. That's why this geohazard management will play a key role in the disaster management. Next one, OPGW, that is optical ground wire. Why it is in use? Why? Because to improve the telecom connectivity in hilly areas, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, that is Power Grid, has recently signed an agreement with the Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board Limited in Shimla, that is located in Himachal Pradesh, for utilization of 500 kilometers of optical ground wire telecom network. Here it is a type of cable that is used in overhead power lines. It is used in a overhead power line. Such cable combines the functions of grounding as well as communication. If you see the schematic diagram of this optical ground wire, that is first one filling jelly, after that optical fibers, after that metallic or plastic tube, like it is a tubular one. Next one aluminum cad steel, after that outer layer is outer armor layer is aluminum alloy. That is about optical ground wire. Next one, as a part of UPSC prelims, today we will discuss 83rd question. The term West Texas Intermediate, sometimes found in use, refers to a grade of option crude oil, second B bullion, C rare earth elements, D uranium. A is the correct option. West Texas Intermediate is related to crude oil. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.